A pleasant morning or evening to you, Ma'am Eds, and everyone who's watching or listening our video lesson. Welcome to the soil resourcement. We will tackle about soil resourcement in this video. You will learn about soil resourcement. Here are the learning objects. Identify human activities such as farming, construction of structures, and waste disposal that affects the quality and quantity of soil. Next learning object was give ways of conserving and protecting the soil for future generations. First, we will tackle about land resources. Do you know about land resources or do you have knowledge about it? Here is the definition or meaning of the land resources. The solid part of the Earth's surface that provides space and support for life. Next is pedology, the study of soils, their formation, classification, and mapping. Our next topic was soil horizons. The soil horizons are the layers in a soil profile used to classify soil types. These layers are differentiated by colors, textures, roots, structures, rock fragments, and other unique characteristics. There are main soil horizons, and these are O horizon means organic layer, A horizon means topsoil, E horizon means alluviation layer, B horizon means subsoil, C horizon means parent rock, and R horizon means bedrock. Here is the O horizon, or organic matter. The depth of O horizon is 0 to 2 feet. The characteristics is dark color, soft texture, rich in humus, contains decomposing plant and animal material, including leaf litter. Next to O horizon was A horizon, or meaning topsoil or biomantle. The depth of A horizon is 2 to 10 feet. The characteristic of it contains humus, darker than the lower layers, biologically active with earthworms, fungi, and bacteria.
E-horizon, this layer is lighter in color, formed by the leaching or washing out of minerals like clay, iron, and aluminum, leaving mainly sand and salt. B-horizon, known as the subsoil, this layer accumulates the minerals leached from above, making it richer in clay and iron, giving it a denser texture.
Sea horizon or regolith. It has a depth of 30 to 48 feet. The sea horizon or regolith is the layer beneath the B horizon and above R horizon. It consists of slightly broken up bedrock. Furthermore, plant roots do not penetrate to this layer. R horizon or the bedrock. It is the lowest layer with a depth of 48 plus feet. It is the consolidated and the coherent layer of soil that forms the bottommost layer of the soil profile.
After we tackle about the horizons, here are the functions of soils. In functions of soil, we can see a role in the nutrient cycles, supports agriculture, regulates water, regulates emission of trace gases, degrades pollutants and filter groundwater, produces materials like clay for construction, like bricks and cement, sequesters carbons as organic matter.
Land degradation. Land degradation, it is the decline in land quality, reducing its productivity. Causes include deforestation, unsustainable agriculture, and industrial activities. Natural factors of land degradation include soil erosion by wind and water, and natural disasters like floods and landslides.
Soil erosion is the removal of the topsoil by physical agents like wind and water, known as the creeping death of land. Soil erosion is caused by deforestation, flood, overgrazing, violent winds, improper agricultural practices. It affects decreased land productivity, desertification, soil deposition in water bodies, reduced agricultural land.
Methods to control soil erosion. Soil erosion happens when the top layer of soil is worn away, mostly by wind, rain, or even human activity. To keep this from happening, there are several effective methods we can use. One common approach to control erosion is by building terraces on hillsides. Terraces are like flat, step-like areas carved into the slopes of hills. This structure helps slow down water as it flows down, which reduces soil loss and gives water more time to soak into the ground, supporting plant growth. Another way to prevent soil erosion is by adding mulch or planting grass. Mulch is a layer of things like leaves or straw spread over the soil. It stops heavy rain from washing the soil away and helps the soil hold water, which is good for plant growth. Grass works similarly because it grows densely and holds the soil together. This is especially useful in places with a lot of walking or on slopes. These methods help keep the soil healthy and make sure the land stays useful. Desertification is a serious environmental problem where fertile land gradually transforms into desert. This doesn't mean sun appears overnight. Rather, it's a slow process where the soil loses its nutrients and can no longer support plant life. This often happens due to factors like prolonged droughts, deforestation, and poor farming practices. There are a few main causes of desertification. One is unsustainable land use, like overgrazing, where too many animals feed on the land without giving it a chance to recover. Another big cause is climate change, which can increase the frequency and intensity of droughts, drying up the soil even faster. When we cut down too many trees or deforestation, the land also becomes vulnerable because trees help retain water and stabilize the soil. The effects of desertification are wide-reaching. When the soil turns to desert, it can't support crops or other vegetation, leading to food shortages. This loss of fertile land also causes biodiversity loss, meaning many plants and animals that once thrived in the area can no longer survive. People may be forced to move away to find better land or resources, leading to migration issues. As we wrap up our presentation, we just want to say thank you to everyone for taking the time to learn with us today. We have covered a lot about soil horizons, land degradation, soil erosion, and desertification. And we hope you now have a better understanding of just how important it is to take care of our land resources. Soil isn't just dirt, it's the foundation for life and it plays a huge role in our food, water, and environment. By protecting and conserving our soil, we're not only supporting agriculture but also helping future generations. It's up to us to make smart choices, whether it's through sustainable farming, reducing waste, or even planting more trees to keep our land healthy. Thank you again, and let's all do our part in preserving these valuable resources for a better and greener future.